So the first thing that you should do is, hold on, let me pull up my notes that I have from this previous. Because I remember you have to set that value equal to your original function. I think that was the first step in this one. All right, so we are going to find that was a 4. Do you have your L of x from
I took my L of x from the original problem. That was
what
my
was your L of
fault.
x?
Let's see.
Oh, I see it. Sorry, I wasn't looking at your
Okay,
thing.
you're fine. You're fine.
So your L of x was 1/2 x. That's just a regular x, right? There's no exponent.
Yeah, just one
Plus
half x. Yeah,
so what you needed to do was just to plug in I think on the practice exam how he worded this one, like if I remember correctly, he asked you to find on the practice he asked you to find g of 1 points,
yeah,
whatever it was, or I think on the practice it was 4.1 or something.
yeah.
So instead of giving it in that form, he just gave you the root value, but it's really just a scenario. It's just so instead of just had to substitute 1.21 to this.
So I substituted the square root of 1.21 into it. So maybe that's what I did.
Yeah, because it says that, or one of the theorems says that g of x is approximately equal to L of x. Mm-hmm. So g of, since the x's are the same, g of 1.21 is going to be approximately equal to L of 1.21, which is equal to plus 1/2. And then doing that same thing, just rewriting these lines. L of 1.21. So I don't want to do that in my head. Sorry, I'm grabbing my calculator.
Oh no, you're fine.
.21 divided by 2 is 0.605. 0.605 plus 0.5. So it should be equal to 1.105 should be the answer.
Mm-hmm. It is. Could you explain again to me why I plug in 1.21 instead of the square root of 1.21? It's just that part kind of messy.
Yeah, so let me pull up the memorization for this exam. Oh no, the screen went. The memorization. I think that should have been a part on your memorization where it said that g of x is approximately L of x. Well, all we're doing is instead of plugging in the value of what g of x is equal to, because g of x is equal to root x, right? Mm-hmm. We're just substituting in that x value that they're asking us, right? I think this was just confusing because he gave you what the x value was plugged into g of x instead of what the x value was.
So, if for example you did 1.1 and squared it with the x 1.21, or is that a different case?
I'm sorry, what was your question? You're asking if we squared the root of 1.21?
No, I mean like if you took just 1.21, like if he gave it to us like 1.21 squared, would our x just be still 1.21, or would it be 0.21 squared?
It would be 1.21 squared. It would be whatever the value of x is.
Okay.
So,
And so, go ahead.
yeah, so like if it doesn't matter what your g of x function is, it doesn't matter what this is. All it matters is what your x value is.
Oh, okay.
Because like